Click once to earn $60, click twice and that's $120, and that goes on and on and on. You're going to be seeing this amount of money flooding your account, and I don't think you're ready. But if you are, then go ahead and click on What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money-making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. All you really need is your smartphone and you're pretty much set. I know it sounds crazy, but you just have to trust me. We're showing you a brand new strategy today that not a lot of people know about yet, so you're lucky. It's great for beginners and it's an entirely free method. It's also available in all parts of the world, so you have zero problems here. As always, we're going to be walking you through this whole process step by step, and we're also going to be dropping some amazing bonus tips and tricks to use this method to its fullest and to make the most amount of money possible. So if you don't want to miss any of that, then make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method, and make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Our website for today is called Offer Vault, and this is how their website looks like. Basically, this website offers a ton of offers with different payouts to them, and you can actually take part in all of the offers. There are no limits here. We're obviously going to show you which offers to take in order to get paid the most money, and we're also going to be teaching you how to do these offers correctly so that you can get and make the most out of it. So when you're on the website, we want you to look up gift card, and then you're obviously going to see all of the gift card offers. When you scroll down, you'll see the offer names and how much the offer is going to pay you. And as you can see, the payouts are actually really high, which is great because it means that you're going to be compensated well, and that's what we want. If you check on this $500 Amazon gift card offer out, you're going to see all of the offer details. So you're going to see the offer name, the payout, which is how much is going to be paid to us per email submit, and that's $17. So per person that submits their email for a chance to win a $500 Amazon gift card, we're going to get paid $17. Can you imagine? You are also going to see the link to the preview landing page, so if people click on the link to gift card giveaway, they're going to be taken to this page. This is where that link is going to take our customers, and this is where they're going to submit their email so that we can start earning from it. And I personally think that this is a great addition to the offer details because it allows us to be able to see where it's going to take the people who click this link. We can judge if it looks a bit sketchy or not, and the like. Of course, if you were to run the offer, all you have to do is click on Run Offer right here, and that should run the offer straight away. I want you to comment down below what country you reside in and what is your favorite or preferred payment method so that my next video will be more relevant to our subscribers. Let's keep going then. When you run the offer, you're obviously going to get the link that you're going to share with other people so that they can click on it, submit their emails, and then you can earn your money. But the question is, once we have our link, where could we possibly share it that's going to get the traffic that it needs? Well, we're about to find out. Now open up Pinterest.com, and if there are some people here who don't know what Pinterest is yet, Pinterest is an image sharing and social media service designed to enable saving and discovery of information on the internet using images and on a smaller scale, animated GIFs and videos in the form of pinboards. That's what Pinterest is all about. This website has millions of people on it every single day, which means that this website is the perfect place for your link because people will want to click. People will want to go on the link and submit their email because they want a chance to win $500 Amazon gift card, and in that way, they're gonna earn. We're gonna get into the sign up process in a bit so you guys can finally make an account and start posting. But before that, let me show you some examples of other posts of Amazon gift cards on this website so you can see that there are actually a lot of people who go here to post their links. Which means that there are also a lot of people who look for gift card opportunities because they are great deals and they're free. So what's there to lose, right? Now, if you're on the homepage of Pinterest and you look up Amazon gift cards, you're going to see a lot of pins about Amazon gift cards of different prices, of course, but ours is $500. So imagine if these people were going to be able to reach with our $500 worth Amazon gift card. I already know it's going to be crazy. Basically, they are going to show the photo of the gift card and how much the gift card is offering. And then there's a little title, like a short title and a description and everything like that. So it's great. And then, of course, you should have the link there as well so people know where to go and what to do so that you can also start earning. They're going to click on the link and then they're going to submit their email and money for you. If you're wondering where you're going to get the Amazon gift card image, I am going to show you where and how so that you guys will know where to get it, and we are going to get into that after this. If you're having fun with today's video so far, then make sure that you like this video and subscribe if you aren't subscribed yet. And of course, leave a comment about all of the wonderful things that you're loving so far, or maybe leave some suggestions down below. Anything and all will be appreciated. Now let's go back into the video. Now it's time to sign up, and to do so you should be on this page of Pinterest, which is basically what you're gonna see if you open up Pinterest.com. Then you're gonna click on sign up right here. Then you're gonna see this, and then you're gonna provide all of the details being asked of you. So that's your email, a password, your age. Then you're gonna hit on continue, and basically after this, you're gonna be asked a few more questions about yourself. But as soon as you complete all of those, you're finally gonna be in your account. And this is how it looks like. And now it's time to finally create our post to get our link out there. And to do so, all you have to do is click on this plus sign right here where we are clicking if you are a little bit lost, and then you're going to select create a post. Then you're going to be taken to this web page, and as you can see, this is where you're going to post your photo, then your title, then your description. And before anything else, let's look for a photo. And all you have to do is open up Google Images and look up $500 Amazon gift cards and just look for something like this. Then you're going to download it. And as soon as that's downloaded into your computer or into your mobile phone, wherever you're doing this method, you can go back to Pinterest.com. And then you're going to upload the photo right here. Then you're going to entitle your post, and maybe you can write win a $500 Amazon gift card today or something along those lines. And that's a perfect title already. And then in the description, you could write something like, if you want a chance to win a $500 Amazon gift card, then click on this link to claim it and join. Then you're going to attach your affiliate link. And as soon as that is ready, post it, and ta-da! There's your post, and all you have to do is wait for the money to come in like wildfire. So make sure you try this method out, and that is basically everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys again for watching today's video. We're so close to 60,000 subscribers, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you did. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.